My name is Kathryn, and I'm currently working as a Business Administrator in our CEO Office department. Today, I'll take you through my journey of how I came into this role and how it has been a great start to my professional journey. Once I finished my A-levels, I initially enrolled to do university to study psychology. However, this was during COVID times and it was all going to be online and I've been stuck at halls. Instead of taking this route, I decided to take the apprenticeship route instead, as then I can gain hands-on experience in an office environment and start my professional journey. I took the apprenticeship route as I had friends who had taken this route initially without doing university, and they wanted to explain to me all the benefits, such as working as you learnt, earning a career, and getting a wage alongside it as well. They said it's a great idea just to see if I liked it and to see if I wanted to carry on in this field of work. During my apprenticeship, I learnt a whole range of skills, from the most basic aspect learning as how to work Outlook and Teams, to also helping plan company-wide events and managing the CEO travel inbox. All of this was extremely useful and it developed myself both professionally and personally. Some of the most important skills I learned was just building my confidence in myself and in my role and being able to help others across the company. One task I found especially challenging was improving one of the policies within our company. I decided to improve our travel policy to make it easier for those who are booking the travel alongside those who are actually travelling. To do this was quite a large task to look through all the previous data to see what needs to improve and to reduce our budget for the entire company. This is extremely beneficial to see how things got changed and it was implemented and to see it put into real life practice. During my apprenticeship, it has helped me develop myself both professionally and personally. In my role, I'm lucky enough to be able to work with staff across all departments and develop professional relationships with both internal and external stakeholders. Because of this, I am much more confident in myself and my abilities, and I feel like a whole different person than when I started at the beginning. As I have developed in my role, my responsibilities have significantly increased. One of my proudest achievements is I am now the assistant to our International Provost, who is based in Paris. Recently, she got invited to attend a student recruitment event in Africa, and I helped to manage her to get over there and have a useful visit. This involved applying for visas, flights, and even doing her vaccinations, and it was really rewarding to see that it all went well and that I was trusted to manage this trip. Through my apprenticeship, it gave me the knowledge of how businesses work, and it gave me the skills to how to manage my time and my tasks effectively. Alongside this, it helped me to develop my communication and my team working skills, which I use every day in my role when communicating with other PAs across the campuses and even arranging meetings for our senior teams. My short-term goals are to solidify my current knowledge and to be able to deal with my current tasks more effectively. And then in the long term, I'd like to develop in my career as administration to potentially become a personal assistant or even have my own apprentice to manage and to help them achieve their own goals. The main piece of advice I would give as someone considering an apprenticeship is not being afraid to ask for help. At the start, you're not expected to know everything straight away. Don't be afraid to ask your manager or your peers for any feedback or assistance, and this will help you to develop in your role and gain yourself more confidence. I have found from doing this, I'm able to talk to more people, push myself out of my comfort zone, and have gained much more confidence. One memorable experience from my apprenticeship was that I was lucky enough to travel down to London to attend our students' graduation. This is a great experience to see that all of our hard work pays off and has a real life impact. I would always recommend this programme as it has provided me with a wide range of skills and knowledge to develop in my career. It is also a great way to get into the field of work you're looking into and make your first step in your career progression. And to wrap this video up, here's one fun fact about me. I play a role as Abby for Leeds, which has given me the chance to travel to multiple countries to play against other teams, such as Milan and Hamburg.